So what are you doing?
Dancing like a girl.
Okay. You want to dance your very best?
Yes.
Okay, dance. Your very best.
Suddenly.
What's your name?
Wyatt.
Good. And how old are you?
100.
Okay. Now I'm going to go see Mommy. Hello, Mommy? Mommy, show me a smile. Mommy, show me a smile.
I don't know where her smile is.
Show me a smile, Mommy. Show me a smile.
No, like this.
Good, Mommy. Showed me a smile.
Do you just like Griffin did?
Hi, Griffin.
Good.
Hi.
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 How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Griffin.
How old are you?
3.
Okay.
100.
Bye-bye.
My name